Hi, I'm Jody Costello, founder of ContractorsFromHell.com, and today I'll be talking about how to manage a remodeling project by yourself. Managing a remodeling project by yourself is not an easy endeavor and requires good management skills. It also requires knowledge of